Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're about to take you inside something so unique, so breathtaking, that it doesn't just challenge the idea of luxury, it flips it on its head. Forget about mansions built on land, because the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Luxury Motorhome is a rolling palace on wheels that redefines what it means to live large while traveling the open road. From the outside, the Kenworth T2000 is already a legend. Known for its strength and durability, this truck has been reimagined into a motorhome that blends raw power with pure elegance. Its sleek aerodynamic body, bold chrome accents, and futuristic LED lighting make it look more like a king of the highway than just another RV. But the magic really begins when you step inside. Open the door and you're greeted by a living space that feels like a high-end penthouse suite. The interiors are wrapped in fine leather, polished hardwood, and ambient lighting that can shift to match your mood. The space is expansive, with slide-out walls that create a surprisingly wide lounge area, plush seating, recliners with built-in massage functions, and panoramic windows give you the perfect blend of comfort and views. The bedroom is nothing short of extraordinary. We're talking about a full-size luxury bed with climate-controlled memory foam, smart glass windows that tint with a touch, and even a skylight that lets you fall asleep under the stars. The bathroom raises the bar even higher. Imagine marble, finishes, heated floors, a rainfall shower with spa jets, and a vanity that wouldn't look out of place in a five-star resort. You don't just refresh here, you recharge. Now the kitchen, a true gourmet setup on wheels. It includes induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, a convection oven, and even a wine cooler for those evenings when you want to unwind. It's designed not just for utility but for fine dining, anywhere your journey takes you. For entertainment, the Kenworth T2000 doesn't disappoint. A giant retractable 4K screen, immersive surround sound, and wireless streaming options transform the living space into a private cinema. And when you're not watching movies, you can relax in massage chairs while ambient lighting and soundscapes turn the cabin into a spa-like retreat. But what really sets the 2026 Kenworth T2000 apart is its technology. It comes with AI-powered driving assistance, automatic leveling suspension, solar panels for clean energy, and voice-activated smart controls. Whether it's adjusting the lighting, climate, or entertainment, you're always just one command away from comfort. And let's not forget the powerhouse beneath this beauty. The T2000 comes with a hybrid drivetrain that delivers massive hauling capability while keeping fuel efficiency in mind. So not only are you traveling in the lap of luxury, you're also doing it sustainably. Of course, a rolling palace like this comes with a price tag in the millions, depending on customization. But here's the truth. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. It's for those who don't want to choose between power and luxury, between freedom and elegance. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 gives you all of it, on wheels. So, the question is, would you trade your mansion for this rolling palace? Because after experiencing it, I think the answer might surprise you. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit like, subscribe to Engine Explorer, and turn on notifications, because more incredible journeys into the world of luxury vehicles are on the way.